welcome to my CVS haul. Now, I didn't go last week because I was out of town. I went to go visit my dad. Now, the funny thing is, I got the same CRTs last week that I got the week before, and I'm like, okay, it's okay that I missed it because I'm not missing anything new. Well, last night I can't sleep. I never can sleep very well on Saturday nights, and I was up when the app updates or whatever with the new CRTs, and I got CRTs that I haven't gotten forever. I got Pantene CRTs, I got Herbal Essence, I got so many of them. I actually got to print my card 4 times, and then I entered my phone number a couple times, so I was actually excited to finally get CRTs that I haven't gotten for a very long time. So I was excited. I'm like, sweet, it's gonna be a good day, and I was actually pretty excited with everything that I got. It ended up becoming a moneymaker, and I'm very happy with my haul. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got at CVS to share with you guys the deals. Now, I really wanted to do the General Mills cereal. My store didn't have anything. These were the only 2 boxes of cereal that they had for the deal, which I'm actually pretty excited for because I've been eating Lucky Charms, and why not eat Cocoa Puffs? Except the funny thing is these expire like in a month. So that's okay, but I'm so excited. The person, or the employee, she's like, yeah, somebody went and took all the boxes of cereal like last week or whatever, and I'm like, okay, but I'm happy with what I got. So these were $1.77. I used $1 off a 2 insert coupon. You would just get these for $2.54. But there is $1 extra care buck that you would get, making it just $1.54 or 77 cents each. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I've been rotating my cereal lately, so I am excited. I think I'm gonna have some Cocoa Puffs after I get done filming my video because I'm really craving some anyways. So my Shopkick app was working this morning, it was working last night. I leave the store and it shuts off on me within seconds. I did report it, but not sure what to do, but I ended up doing it this way. So I already did this deal at Walmart a couple weeks ago. It disappeared, so I didn't have to do the deal, but they still have this option to do it on the Shopkick, and this is the Flips Stuffed Milk Chocolate Peanut Butter Filled Pretzels. So I'm like, okay, we'll get these. So these were 3 for $9, and I got 3 of them. I used 3 75-cent off coupons that I had. You would end up paying $6.75, but then you get a $3 extra care buck when you purchase 3 of them, so that's $3.75. But I did get 75 cents times 3 with Ibotta, so that was like $1. It was $2.25 back that I got with Ibotta. And I got 120 kicks for purchasing and scanning this product with Shopkicks. So my grand total for the 3 of these just come out to be $1.03. That's like 34 cents each, which I think is a great deal. My son, I know, really loves chocolate covered pretzels, so I'm excited for that. Now we're gonna dig in. I ended up doing the all laundry pods. Now these were $2.99, and we have that $2 off insert coupon that we got, making these just 99 cents. It doesn't say a limit or a quantity on it, it just says packs, so that is the reason why I got that. But 99 cents for laundry detergent is a great deal. My store just got a self-checkout. I didn't use it, but they just got it. It doesn't take cash, but which is fine because I use gift cards. But so I'm just like, okay, I guess when I ever need to use that, I will use that. Now here's the deal that I did. Now I did this with 1 separate transaction because I had a 40% off Neutrogena. Now when you get those % off coupons, you do not want to pay with extra care bucks because it messes it all up. So I ended up doing the Hydro Boost, which I'm actually excited to try this makeup. This was $18.49. $18.49. And then I did the makeup remover for $7.49. I had a $5 off Hydro Boost CRT. I had a $3 off Neutrogena CRT. And then I had a 4 off of 12 Maybelline CRT that I had clipped to my card because I didn't print anything off last week, and it automatically came off at this transaction, so I did not control it, but I had a 4 off of 12 CRT that I used. this ended up taking $5.60 off with the 40% off. I thought I was going to take off more, but it did not. I think it, I don't know if it adjusted. But anyways, I paid $8.38. This was supposed to be a better deal, but the math just didn't turn out in my favor. But I paid $8.38 for these, but then when you buy two, you get a $6 extra care buck, making it $2.38 or just $1.19. But I mean, from 18 bucks to $2, I'll take it. We'll take it. But I'm excited to use the makeup. It looks like they finally got rid of their other makeup that they had. They were trying to get rid of those like sticks. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna dig in some more. The cashier, I hate this. Right as I get used to a cashier that I really enjoy, they leave. So two of my favorite cashiers will be leaving soon, so that gets me stuck with brand new employees. So hopefully it turns out good and they turn out to be just as cool. So I ended up getting the monofoil D. These were $9.99 on sale. You'd pay $9.99 for it, but then you get a $9 extra care buck, making this just 99 cents. And I'm beginning to get a ton of these, which is fine because the virus is coming back. They made it mandatory masks in my area, so I'm just like, sure. So I ended up doing the L'Oreal Elvive. Now these were two for $8. I used the 4 off of 2 printable coupon. You would pay $4 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these just $2. That's $1 a piece, so I'm pretty excited for that. I wanted to get the curl, like the curl cream, but that was not on sale. Otherwise, I was gonna do that. I did the Scope mouthwash. These were $3.99 or $3.99. I used a $1 off insert coupon from the August P&G. You'd pay $2.99 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck, making this big bottle of mouthwash just 99 cents. So got that. Hi Paris. Hi baby. So I did the Colgate deal. So I had a, what did I have? I had a $2 off digital coupon for the Colgate mouthwash. I had a $2 off digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. And then I had a $2 off digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. But I ended up using two $2 off coupons from last week's inserts, and then I used a $1 off insert coupon for the other ones. So that's what I used for these. So after the coupons, I had a 5 off of 25 CRT that I used for it was for Colgate, I think. My total came to $8.94 for the 4 tubes of toothpaste, the toothbrush, and the mouthwash. I ended up getting $4 back and $4 back of an extra care buck for every 2 that you bought. And then I got $5 back for buying these 2. So my grand total came to be a $4.06 moneymaker. I got all 6 items for free and I made a profit, which was nice. Okay, and then I did the paparazzi. The paparazzi was 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for this, but then there is a $4 extra care buck that you would get, making it $1. I got black nail polish because Halloween's coming soon. As you guys can see, I'm already ready for Halloween. But you get these for $1, 50 cents each. And you know what? They're just plain and simple, you know, nail polish for me. We got the Garnier Fructis. Now these were 2 for $7. I ended up using a 3 off of 2 insert coupon that we just got in today's inserts. You would pay $4 for both of these, but then you get a $2 extra care buck, making them $2 or just $1 each. So I got that. And that was my haul, you guys. It wasn't much, but I actually am pretty excited because from the last like 2 to 3 weeks, this is the best haul I've had in a long time. So I was super excited. The cashier was like, wow, you're actually getting a lot of stuff. And I'm like, yes. Yes, I actually filled my cart. It didn't look sad, but I was pretty excited. My total came to $8.56. Now remember, I did do the 50% or the 40% Neutrogena deal. I did not pay with extra care bucks. That's why my out-of-pocket is a little bit higher, but that's okay because I ended up using gift cards to pay with my stuff. I ended up using $32 worth of extra care bucks, so I paid with $32 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $42 back, so I'm pretty excited with that. With Ibotta, I got $2.25 back, and then with Shopkick, I will be getting 48 cents back whenever I can scan my receipt. So my grand total came to be a $4.17 moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I am so excited for. And then I either will be getting $3 or possibly $6, depending on what my price was last week, from Beauty. So I'm pretty excited with what I got. But yeah, that's all I can say. I'm hoping we get some good inserts next week, because I will be in Chicago this coming week, and I'm going to get my inserts while I'm in Chicago, and the papers are so much cheaper there than they are in my area, so I am so excited to stock up on those papers. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all next time for another CVS haul. Hopefully I'm getting great CRTs as just as much. Hopefully you guys are getting just as great CRTs, but hold in there. We're keeping our fingers crossed. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.